Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you all how to put our YouTube logo, which you can see over the right corner. You can see my logo. So how to make like those. So let's see today. So I'm going to click on my logo. It says your channel. Touch it. And when you go inside your channel, you can see your videos if you have uploaded. You can see. So I have uploaded videos and don't forget to watch my latest video, how to make thumbnails for YouTube. So now let's get on the topic. So now touch this three dot on the right corner on the top. So I am touching it. It says share, settings, watch on TV, terms and privacy policy, and help and feedback. So touch on help and feedback. So I have clicked on it. It says describe your issue. Now you should type as manage your channel icon. I'll type it manage channel icon. So you can see your channel icon. So you click over there and you can see that it says manage your channel icon, channel icon specs, and it says now you can see the Google account settings. You can see the Google account settings. So you are going to click that. Now you can see it going inside. Now it says basic info, name, means to, profile picture. Profile picture helps personalize your account. So now you should go inside the, like, you can see the profile picture. Now you can see profile picture. It says change and more. Okay, you can, I am having it, so I can remove it or change a new logo if I wanted. So now I'm going to click on change. It says upload photos or your photos. It says drag a photo here or select from your computer. I'm going to put like drag a photo from photo here. Okay, I'm going to click on documents and it opened to the recents. So now I'm going to click one of my favorite. It says uploading. Now I'm going to, you can see the picture, but I couldn't, so I'm going to set as photo, profile photo. So now you can see that sometimes the angle may be changed, but yet you can angle it really well. I'm going to again set it. So let's see the results next. So now you can see, now it's a bit blurry. Later it will be really good. You can see that the profile picture has automatically has been cropped and has set itself really well. Sometimes you need to crop it by yourself, but on mine it crops by itself. Sometimes it maybe have a problem, but I got all well. And that's all, friends. Now I hope you all understood how to make a channel profile picture. You will try it anytime you want and comment down below how did it work for you. Bye. Meet you next video and make sure to subscribe, like, share, because others could know how to do the same thing, how to put a profile picture for YouTube channels. And make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below how did it work for you. Bye. Meet you next video. Bye.